Werner Enterprises offers certain drivers an optional benefit plan known as per diem. Per diem simply means per day. The IRS allows drivers who are working away from home to treat a portion of their income as non-taxable. For each qualifying day, you have the option to receive a non-taxable per diem reimbursement for meals and incidental expenses. This program eliminates the need for drivers to spend extra time creating expense reports documenting the amount spent while away from home. Instead, you can be paid a standard daily rate and can expect to receive more net pay per mile on your weekly paycheck. At this time, the following drivers are eligible to participate in Werner's per diem program. To be eligible for per diem pay each day, the IRS requires that you be away from home and/or not on home time. Due to the frequency of home time, net ops drivers and most dedicated fleets are not eligible to participate in the program. In order to enroll, you need to fill out the per diem enrollment form, which is provided to you in orientation and can also be found at the safety desk of each terminal. You have 30 days from your qualifying or hire date to enroll. If you are a current Werner Enterprises driver and would like to enroll in the program, you may also fill out the enrollment form, but your enrollment will not begin until January 1st of the following year. It's important to note that once you fill out and turn in the form, you will be automatically paid and not paid per diem as you change from qualifying to non-qualifying positions until you unenroll during open enrollment. For example, if you start driving in the regional long-haul division and elect to participate in the program, you will be paid per diem. If you decide later on to move to a net ops position, your per diem payments will automatically stop. And if you decide to then move back to the long-haul division, your per diem payments will automatically start again. If you expect to pay income taxes this year, you should benefit from the per diem program because it will reduce your taxable income, which should reduce your taxes. If you are not enrolled in the program, every cent you make is taxable. However, if you are enrolled in the program, a certain amount of your pay can be non-taxable. With this program, you are not required to keep track of your personal receipts from meals and incidentals. We eliminate this hassle and we do the calculations for you. At this time, the current per diem rate for Werner is as follows. Werner has structured this program so that the company remains neutral. We pass all of the benefits on to the drivers. Because the IRS disallows a certain percentage of the company's tax deduction for per diem payments, Werner pays additional taxes for each driver under the program. To offset this tax cost increase and keep Werner neutral, the total pay rate per mile for drivers enrolled in the per diem program is slightly lower. However, your net pay per mile should be higher under the program. The biggest benefit of the per diem program is that it allows you to put more money in your pocket where it belongs. You don't have to wait until the end of the year to get your refund back. By waiting, you are basically giving the government a tax-free loan for a year. Instead, by enrolling in the per diem program, you get the money every week, and you can put it where you want. You can invest the additional funds you receive from per diem as you see fit for your retirement, such as your 401k. You get to choose how to invest your own money today. In order to maximize your net pay under the per diem program, follow these simple tips. First, manage your time off appropriately. IRS regulations do not allow you to receive per diem pay when you have time off or on home time. Therefore, any pay you receive on the days you take time off or are on a leave of absence will be taxable pay. Second, make sure to send in your trip envelopes as soon as possible after each trip. Per diem is calculated for the previous 7 days only, Tuesday to Monday. We cannot count per diem twice for one day, so it's imperative that we receive trip envelopes in a timely manner in order to have trips to pay per diem off. Here are some frequently asked questions regarding Werner's per diem program. How does the per diem program affect how I file my taxes? This program is unlikely to have an effect on your itemized deductions or your other tax returns, so it should not have a significant impact on how you file your income taxes, regardless if you file using a short or long form. However, consult your tax advisor for specific filing and return information. Will per diem affect my Social Security benefits since I will be paying less Social Security taxes? Yes, it may. The Social Security benefits you receive upon retirement are generally calculated based on the taxable earnings you receive for your 35 highest paid years. Since per diem is not considered taxable income for Social Security purposes, electing to participate in the plan may ultimately reduce the amount of Social Security benefits you receive upon retirement. However, remember that by electing to participate in Werner's per diem program, you are free to invest the additional funds you receive as you see fit for your retirement, such as your 401k. Can I still claim expenses on my tax return if what I was paid in per diem is less than what I calculate I was entitled to take? Werner's plan is considered an accountable plan and is intended to cover your meals while you are away from home. If you spend more for meals than the per diem amount paid to you, these additional expenses may be deductible. However, you are required to keep all of your receipts to prove this and deduct these additional expenses on your tax return. Make sure to consult your tax advisor regarding additional deductions you may be entitled to. If this is something you are interested in or would like further information on, please contact your driver orientation instructor, driver payroll, your fleet manager, or your tax advisor.